welcome back to our YouTube channel. Last time we unboxed the Osmo Pocket 3. Now we are using the same thing to make this video. Today we are unboxing the Osmo Action 5 Pro.
Yusuf, are you ready to unbox?
Yep, we'll start with the unboxing now. So let's just start. Just take off the wrapper. And then we got it here. Do you have your knife so you can help me opening this by your knife?
Are you talking about this bad boy?
Yeah.
Let's go. Here you go.
Yeah, thanks. So here we got this, and here we got this, and here is the main part.
That is not the main part.
This is not it.
What is that?
What is that?
Tell your viewers what that is.
This is the selfie stick. And let's
Okay,
open.
what does it say on the box?
On the box it says accessories.
And the other one?
Osmo Action 5 Pro.
Okay, let's see the accessories first.
Okay. I'm just going to break it on.
No. Open it gently, Yusuf.
Okay. So we start off, we got this.
This is the mount.
Yep. Then we got the charging cable. This is just perfect for my PlayStation. Okay, then we got this, whatever that is. And then we got this paper, the instructions, I guess. Stickers. This is for our AID series.
You're going to put it on your AC series?
Yeah. Okay, so this is a big one. So this is the battery.
Yeah, it's a battery pack and it has how many batteries in it?
3.
Nice.
So now let's start it with this. Here's the main part. Yeah. We got this and then we got this. Okay, looks like we need to make it by ourselves.
Okay, so this is the protective case for the camera.
Oh, the camera is this much small?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see it.
Be very gentle and careful with it.
Okay. So this is where we take it off and okay. Let's just put it right now back. We'll open this, we'll take off the sticker now later. Wait. Just found.
Okay, so here we have the protective case.
Yep.
It
And
has the screws in it. Yusuf, you know this camera is waterproof. You can take it inside the swimming pool.
yeah, can I take it?
Not right now. Not without me. So we have the adhesive tube mount here. We got 2 screws.
How do we even open this?
So this is the case ताकि मैं लगाऊंगा आपसे अगर ये किसी से गलती से गिर भी जाए ना तो ये safe रहे. Okay, so this is the combo pack and this is the
Batteries.
battery pack. It has 3 batteries in it. ये 1950 mAh की batteries हैं and they give a recording time of 4 hours per battery. Yusuf, you know the DJI Action 5 comes with 42 GB built-in memory, 42 or 52, and on top of that you can add a memory card to it. Okay, let me show this to you. So
Everyone say cheese. Cheese, say
you can
cheese.
extend this.
Yeah.
Yusuf,
Oh, nice.
you like it?
Yeah, wait. Can I hold it?
You're going to make a lot of videos with this in the mountains soon, inshallah.
Okay, so here's the charging
Okay,
cable.
so we'll make another review later.
Bye-bye.
Look in the camera and say bye, Yusuf.
Bye. Cheese.